Hello everyone. Welcome to the TechFix Everything channel. This channel is dedicated to sharing techniques and repair experiences for printers, photocopiers, toner, and everything I've learned in over 20 years of servicing office equipment. In this video, I will show you how to refill toner for compatible cartridges, specifically the CF280A and CE505A models. The refilling process for these two models is similar. This cartridge is out of toner, causing printouts to have white streaks, with some areas showing text and others blank due to the toner running out. And now, let's watch how I refill toner for the HP LaserJet Pro 400mm 401DN printer. Normally, if you use an OEM toner cartridge shell, there will be two metal pins at both ends of the cartridge. These pins hold the toner plus magnetic roller section and the other part, which is the drum charge unit. However, the cartridge I'm working on is a replacement model made in China, so it has two plastic pins like this. You will need to remove these two plastic pins. After removing these two plastic pins, we can separate the drum charge unit and the toner plus magnetic roller section. Now, let's proceed with handling each part separately. And here is a compatible toner cartridge that works with both CF280A and CE505A. This type uses two metal pins. I'm introducing it so that if you come across this compatible shell, you won't be confused. Removing these two pins is simple. It's best to use a good quality cutting plier to grip and pull them out easily. Or you can follow my method in this video. And now, let's get back to the cartridge I'm working on. We will remove this plug to refill the toner. For other compatible cartridge shells, you may need to remove the side cover first to access the toner refill plug inside. Shake the toner bottle well before refilling to ensure a smooth and easy pour. After refilling the toner, close the cap and gently shake the cartridge to distribute the toner evenly onto the magnetic roller. Then, rotate the magnetic roller to check if the toner is evenly spread. If it looks even like this, then it's good to go. If the toner isn't evenly distributed, clean the magnetic roller thoroughly with acetone and consider replacing the small wiper blade, also known as the magnetic roller blade. You can also use a folded piece of paper like I'm doing. This method works well for minor issues. That's it for the toner plus magnetic roller section. Now, let's move on to the drum charge unit. There are two options. You can remove this screw to take out the drum, but personally, I prefer removing the drum pin on the other side. It's quicker and more convenient. A quick tip for those refilling toner at home: when removing the drum, wrap it within a A4 sheet like this to protect it from sunlight and accidental damage during the refilling process. Next, remove the charge roller, then unscrew the two screws on the drum wiper blade, also known as the large wiper blade. Make sure to dispose of all the waste toner inside. Note: waste toner cannot be reused. Gently press and slide the seal upward to ensure it fits snugly against the drum surface, preventing waste toner from leaking out. Note: do not clean or wipe the rubber part of the drum wiper blade. If you replace the drum wiper blade with a new one, apply a small amount of toner evenly on the rubber surface. If you don't have specialized powder, you can use the same toner you refill. Clean the charge roller with a clean cloth, lightly dampened with 70% alcohol. A good drum wiper blade will effectively clean off any toner on the drum surface. Gently rotate the drum like this. If it moves smoothly and cleanly, it's good to go. When reassembling the drum charge unit and the toner plus magnetic roller section, pay attention to these two side springs. Make sure they are positioned straight and not misaligned or bent. The process for metal pins is similar. I'll demonstrate it here so you can follow along easily. And now, let's check the results after refilling the toner. The print quality is now excellent, sharp, even, and clear. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below to support me. Your support motivates me to create more useful videos for you. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.